Mangrove forests. They're the lifeline of coastal ecosystems, but could they be a solution for my fish pond? I'm in San Isidro with a local NGO who have this great mangrove nursery.
If you see it's growing well and you see the people take care of it, then you're getting addict about mangroves.
Yeah. So I woke up at 5 o'clock, arrived here at about 8. Meant to start at 9, which is the peak of high tides for planting mangroves, which can only be planted at low tide, which is quite funny to be honest. So these guys are from one of the call centres. They're going to plant some more out here. There's already 15,000 planted here. You can see from the air some of the oldest mangroves in existence just down here behind us. This is the only open area really, so it's just being added to. They told me 15 varieties, but there's still some more that they haven't named yet. So I've already got some to take up to Cateel. They told me just come back and get some more. Just try out some more species, see what works. So it'd be nice to see what does work in the fish pond, because of course it's very localized and the fish pond's a very different environment to here, which is pure seawater. There, it's brackish. So let's see what. This guy is going to explain to me what on earth's going on, because I have no idea.
My name is Tornino Villamora, presidente sa Bikers Club. Naami karon diri sa mong nursery. Na-produce almost 40,000. Napod may mga 15 species diri. Nya to ready to plant na pud ni. Kini makita man ninyo diri sa akong palibot.
Unya ogma magtanom ko. So unsay importante pag kinahanglan kung magtanom ko dali ba o naay prosesyo? Naatay
example sir pag once nga magtanom na ta, kinahanglan kunin lang natin itong nasa baba yung para ang growth niya. Siyempre mo pero dili na to ni siya pwede kay murag dipinsa man gud siya sir. Kining black bag dipinsa ni siya sa sa balod ba. Mao nay makalig-on sa iya kay actually nagtanom gikuha ni black bag, pero nakita na ko ang procedure murag luya ang similya, dali ra siya mamatay compare tong naapay maka-shield sa iya ba, makapalit mabugat sa iya dito sa yuta.
Ako kabalo ba sa tanggal ko plastic bilin lang maayo para mas ligon.
Mas makwan ba mabugatan ang similya, dili jud siya madaog og balod. Dili pud to basta makwan ang iyang gamot kay naamang gud siya, naka-shield pa man siya. Ang gamot mo expand man jud sa ilalom. Almost 15 pieces nandito sir makita.
With so many species, I wanted to ask Saturnino how to identify them.
Dire kini nga klase sir is bakawan lalaki. Kini dagko siya stock mo ni bakawan babae.
Mas kuska ng babae ha.
Kay dako. Tas darang.
So dili isog.
Dili isog. Kini siya api-api. Kani nga kini kuan pagatpat.
Kana magpangtanom ko og pagatpat no. Ngani. Ngani in style.
Ngani in style. Nya kani piapi ni siya mas ma-identify nimo kay pag-group ang iyang leaves ba, iyang dahon kumpara sa api-api. Tag-as. Yun yung mataas piagaw yan.
Piagaw.
Piagaw.
Lahi akong kuan, akong tawagan ni. Lahi kayo. Muwag ang letter R. Muwag ang kaon ko akong R. Maayo. So kung magtanom ka, mas maayo kung isa-isa ka klase o daghang na.
Pwede isabay ang isa ka klase sir, pwede pod og masabay na to ang tulo ka klase, pwede pod.
With this knowledge, time to go out into the ocean. We're going to go to the Tungob. The Tungob, I think I'm saying it correctly, I might be totally wrong. is a species that they get, you know, with the red colouring of tuba, comes from this tree.
Mao na ni ang among gitanom sir nga bakawan babae. Ito,
Ay, kay taas.
taas. Ito ang bakawan lalaki.
Ay, so nag-alternate.
Nga naapon mi din sa palibot, api-api, pagatpat. First na mong tanom nga 8,000, ito na. Magandang tubo. Tapos nandito ang kuan sir, nandito ang tungog. Marami sila. Nandun, almost 500 kabuok, 500 pieces. Ito maganda ng sir, tubo.
Pila ka bulan ni?
7 months nya 2 months ang preparation sa pagtanom.
Paparazzi's here.
Kani tungog, bale nag-eksperimento lang mi sa pagkakaron. Kay bale ang punuan yun ani naa dito sa punong, nasa sentro dito sa punong. Kuha na mo sa iyang bunga, nagsimilya mi, akong gi-eksperimento Andre kung mabuhi ba. Di nakita naman nato na buhi kayo. Mao nang diri na ko siya kuan kay matan-aw pud nako ba. Mamonitor na ko permente kay dool ra sa nursery.
I have an idea. Soon, I'll come and I'll get some tungog. I'll test some out.
Pero sa Cateel sir, wala na wala na tungog dito. Ang tungog karon ang San Isidro lang.
So, magbuhi dito, dili?
Mabuhi yapon actually. Basta nga ay mga kanang lapok-lapok.
Na.
Oh.
Dakang, akong fish pond, lapok kaayo. Tapos na ay dako kaayo. Pili ka dugay ni, Kato Devi, pili ka dugay.
Estimate ako ning ingani na nga kadak 5 years. Ngani mga pagatpat, api-api, nasagol naman ni diri ah.
Tapos pili ka tuig ni.
Katulad din na sir, sabay. Mas taas siya og growth ang bakawan lalaki ug babae kay spread man ang iyang gamot.
Pagod, these are the ones that I'm gonna plant at the fish pond. So yeah, this will be the
Parang
the
Christmas
type.
tree. Almost dito maraming nagkuha ng Christmas tree pero pag maabdan ko hindi ko yan ipaputol kay bawal yan.
Dakang kuan, aninipot sa akong mga padada, ang goning sila padada. Ang pangalan mo, ako kabalo. So, dakang aninipot. Po, Devi.
Katulad din diri, maraming aninipot din.
I love to see the fireflies flying at night. It's such a nice sight around them.
Yon ang among centennial. Pagatpat.
My paparazzi is still here. Uli has been planting mangroves in the Philippines for 20 years and is a font of knowledge.
And our system is to connect the existing trees with the new planted to make really the firewall against waves. We planted now already more than 2 million mangroves, all in around Davao Gulf. We are now also in Mate, meaning to say, we can say now for us it's a better way. We plant and plant and plant, and then we have also the number of plants or seedlings that are dead. So I will give you one example. We have in the past, we plant around Samal Island. People come and make a beach resort, bulldogs, let's say 1 hectare mangroves away. This is 1 hectare of mangroves is around about 8,000 seedlings. 8,000 seedlings. I can go now to court, and then I can go to the court 50 years and make a lawyer then. But in this time, I can plant also 20 or 50 times 8,000 mangroves more. And this is our system for Mama Earth. Of course, we are not agree with everything. Even we have damages about fishermen. They cut the mangroves to come easier to the boat. Everything can be happened. You can complain it the whole day, but it's not our system. Our system is go on. Go on is meaning plant and plant and plant. We need to come to the stage the mangroves can recover for themselves. And then that is, let's say in the Philippines, round about 50% of the mangroves are gone for charcoal, for everything. So for beaches or whatever, we can complain it, but don't complain. We say always go on, go on, go on. And our job is now to plant as much as possible. And mangroves are easy to plant. Mangroves are cheap to plant. and we can make only the job and have to work together with the local community, and everything will be going on.
I was enjoying standing like ankle deep in this water. It's quite a nice feeling. This is the one that produces the red colour for tuba. So hopefully this grows and hopefully we can harvest this. I'm excited for this. Nice little project to do. I really enjoy spending time with these guys. I hope that this works because it's a long way and I don't drive slow. Good luck to everything in the back right now. Okay, I am going into Mati. Why am I going into Mati? Good question. I'm gonna get some beer because it's Kulas' birthday today. They surprised me well. Well, it's not really a surprise. He kind of asked for it, and that should hopefully hold the seedlings in a bit better. That's what I'm saying anyway. Beer supports nature. I'm in lane fast. Nika, hey, what I damage sa similya. Wala na unsa sa kwan. Akong driving.
Gibutangan nimo nagnet na biya.
Oh, lagi net unta.
Net
mana. Hey,
biyahe ka butangan net.
Oh, unta.
Wala ba tayo net dira?
Wakoy net. Actually, Kulas is the real alcoholic. He has, for his birthday, 8 cases of beer. I only had 3. Kulas is the real alcoholic, no?
Beer na beer lang kay Kulas.
Oh, beer na beer lang. Basta beer na beer. I'm very interested to see how is this road now. The coast road from Mati to Cateel and, well, onwards to Surigao. This is a road I really like. We've got to wait, which is very sensible because the backhoe is chopping away at this limestone wall and sending big rocks down. Probably a good idea. All in all, an uneventful trip up the coast, and I didn't destroy any of my cargo. La 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 la. Okay.
We kept up your birthday sign. 1 second. Give me this. We kept up his birthday sign because your birthday should never end.
It never ends. It's continuing. I told them, you're the real alcoholic. I only had 3 cases for my birthday. You have 8.
I'm sharing them with everybody.
Ah!
What about sharing?
Ah!
Working out.
Hey, Quirky! You! We didn't drink all of the beer that night, which was probably a good thing, because I needed to be up early to plant mangroves at low tide. Ayo.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. Not kayo gone in it?
No, ay pandesal.
Pandesal? In it pa?
Parang sana.
Tanaw ka. Sige. I think they bake it at 4, if not at 6. Ay, dili in it? Sige. Pare ko, kuhan. Pila ni? Tag 5. Bali, kuhan, bali 50. There is always a solution. This is what I was wondering about. Just chuck them in a bukag. And they're excited. They're very excited about the tunglog. Success. I need a cameraman. They're all laughing at me. They definitely laugh at me if they saw this. It's much easier. Ay, dako na.
Oo. Kanina po ang tatong sa'yo, hay.
Oo, lagi. Oh, dako na, no? The water's too high, so already. So I should have done this an hour ago. But this low tide was not a really low tide. It was just a kind of, yeah. So, we'll do it later. Nice idea though. Kumar's being chismoso. What are we doing, Mr. Marcoons?
Secret mission. Secret Daot mission.
Baby Daot! For the pinaka Daot!
Yeah, mas for the pinaka Daot.
Yes.
Pinaka Daot nga tao sa in the whole world.
The whole wide world! Mr. Lasco!
Mr. Power On.
We're going to a tarpaulin shop.
Mr. Power On.
I'm spoiling the surprise.
Like this, huh?
Yeah.
Mr. Power On.
How about power off? Legal.
Oh, Ligo.
Power off. Legal.
This is Power On.
Yeah.
Power Up. Ligo.
Legal. Legal, sir. Yeah, that one. Okay, see you in
Pops.
there. Pops. There.
There.
Baby Daot.
Patroller by patroller, 3x4, 3x4, 4x3,
4x3 or 3x4?
3x4, 4x3.
That is a really, really big tarp. It's for the mas pinaka Daot, so it has to be the mas dako.
Power On.
Mr. Power on, power off.
Doing well, man.
You're doing well. Sige.
Well tried.
Oh, sige.
Well tried.
The layout artist is in San Antonio. We'll try a different shop. Thankfully, there was another shop open. I'm filming for YouTube in a place where it's not allowed. Come look at this. You can see his face. His face is coming out. Look at that. So.
The best.
I used this face in a thumbnail once as well.
Yeah.
That's the right size. Good job, sir.
Good job, sir.
I love how there's like a little viewing window here. I've done a really bad job rolling that.
The payback.
The payback, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Did you Photoshop my face? That photo into a Superman body?
The body's me.
I've always wanted to be an influencer.
Kumar was going to put vlogger, and I said no, we have an alternative.
Good,
route.
man. Thank you for that.
This is how thoughtful
Should
we
we
are.
put it on the fence?
There's one on the fence already.
Put it next to yours. Oh, you put one on the fence too?
Yeah,
You
but
made
mine's
two?
not there. Mine's not there anymore.
Oh my, you actually put that on the fence?
Yeah, it's on the fence already. That's why there was banging noises.
I love this, man.
And then
By the way, there's money in my hand because I'm paying for the lechon. I got a lechon.
Tatu Puti. Madman doing all the work.
You went up because you photoshopped
Mad
me.
Daot combo.
Oh, you really tricked me, man. Yeah, dude, I really thought you went to town to... Wow! Kumander Daot is so sneaky. You sneaky man!
The influencer.
Ah! I find... Can you also show what's
Power
in the...
on. And by afternoon, the tide was low again, and I could actually complete my mission. La fuck! Kulas told me to do something really emo, which I'm not going to do because that would be very silly. But I'm going to test these inside the pond. I have no idea if this is going to work, but I think I need to put it just outside where there's no water when it's low. But more water will come in at high tide and go out again at low. So which kind of mimics the natural action in the mangroves. So I think here. So I've opened the bottom, let the roots out, but the plastic stays just to keep it steady. In it goes. I've done one. They've probably done about 20 already. Today, the three of us planted just 53 mangroves along the riverbank. But if it works out, I have grander plans for the future. This is definitely a long-term project. It's going to take years and years for them to grow anyway. But right now I'm just testing what species are going to work and what isn't. And then later, it'll be nice, and I'm going to have to ask someone. Maybe I need to build mounds in the middle of the fish pond, so the soil's sometimes dry, sometimes wet. I think mangroves need that, I'm not sure. Can someone tell me? I'm having random thoughts, these may or may not be good.